My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is December 15th, 2021, and Bitcoin is looking like it's about to blast off. Are we finally going to get the reversal we've been waiting for? And this is something that many people have said. The people that look at calendars and think kind of Bitcoin is beholden to some kind of seasonal pattern, they say, well, December is most likely going to be a bullish month. December historically is bullish, but specifically from December 16th onwards, this coincides with what they say. I'm just looking at the charts. I'm not necessarily putting too much emphasis on any seasonal kind of effect. And that so far has served me well, right? Just looking at the charts and trading the charts, right? And before we get started with the analysis, there's something I'd like to say. This channel, I think, is useful. How? It's useful for sharing ideas on technical analysis. There's very few actual technical analysis kind of channels, technical analysis resources where you can get live Bitcoin technical analysis that is just focusing on TA, right? Not some random orange box or some guy saying that the price is going to pump, not kind of hoping and wishing. It's just, oh, we want this, we want that. We don't care about what we want. We're just looking at the price, trading both, up and down. So this channel is best used for sharing ideas. It's not a copy trading type thing, right? It's not a copy trading channel. You do not want to copy trade me or anyone else, right? In the past 6 days, I've taken 30 trades, okay? Of those 30 trades, I've won 20 and lost 10. I do not want to be responsible, nor am I responsible for you losing 10 trades, even though some may say, oh, that's a pretty good win rate, right? I treat this as a business, and there is risk involved, and I will make analyses. I will look at a chart and see one thing, and then a few hours later, after some candles have printed, I see something completely different, okay? And I'm not necessarily updating all the time. So I'm sharing ideas. If you use this as a way to see how I'm reading the charts, how I'm trading, the risk management techniques that I'm using, right? How I pay myself a third of all my winnings every single time I win, how I, change my stops, move my stops to de-risk myself and reassess my trades and manage my trades, then you're using it right. If you're using it as a copy trading channel or any other resource as copy trading, I'm afraid you're stunting your growth as a trader and an investor. All right, with that out of the way, let's get into the video. All right, BLASTOFF. Do we have BLASTOFF, right? We know that what this is. We're on the 5-minute chart because we're looking at the detail here, okay? And this is quintessential reversal pattern, okay? Obviously, very small time frame, but small reversal is all that it takes for a larger reversal, obviously. Going on even smaller time frames, the minute chart, we see here an exhaustion of trend, right? Downtrend being exhausted with a wick, right? That's the definition of a trend being exhausted right there. Next, we see an A wave. Where's the A wave? Sorry, 1 second. Okay, here. So from here, you have the A wave, okay? So the A wave happened instantaneously. The trend was exhausted, and immediately you form price surges to the top, right? Not by much, but significant amount. Then you get a B wave right here. Okay, that B wave is going to retrace that A wave, and now maybe you're getting something akin to a C wave. Okay, you have an ABC into an impulse. Okay, if this is indeed an impulse, it will hold, meaning it will not retrace beyond the 618 of this impulse. Okay, so that's the question. Are we going to get reversal, or are we going to get another correction from here? Okay, and we're literally watching this live. Now, on the larger, let's zoom out a bit. Larger time frame, we've had a move. We had a move yesterday, and this is clearly an impulsive move. Okay, right here. This is clearly impulsive, and this is what we're looking for, right? Actually, the 5 waves, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I misread that yesterday. I misread this 5 wave as a B wave. Sometimes you get a 5th wave that is literally it's sideways because you've reached a point where the 3rd wave was extended and the 5th wave can't expand or extend more than just a little bit of the 4th wave retracement. Okay, so that is essentially what we got yesterday, 5 waves up. Now, in my analysis, was seeing something different. I was seeing that we were getting a most possible, probable, larger ABC correction. Okay, I saw this. I saw an A, I saw A, B, C, and I saw a C coming here. Okay, that may still be in play, but I don't know. I later in the evening changed my mind and went long. Okay, why did I go long? Because after this impulse right here, after this impulse, I was looking, and actually the 5th wave, sorry, let me draw that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. A, B, and I saw C correcting sideways, or as you call it, a running flat. I saw a running flat in C. Okay, and so I was saying there's no way. First of all, 2 things happen. One, we hit the 382. So the 382 we know is the minimum retracement for a 2 wave. Next, I was looking and seeing that we weren't dropping, because I initially thought we were going to drop, right? And I saw we weren't dropping. And so I'm like, we're consolidating. We're consolidating sideways. We're preparing for a move up. Okay. And so I saw that A had formed, B had formed, and C was forming like this, and we know that these triangles, consolidative triangles, happen in 5 waves, right? You get A, B, C, D, E. That's how you count them with letters, because they're a corrective. And once E is finished, you get you get a breakout. Okay. Now, what happened after that? We got another rejection. Why did we get rejected at 48.8? I don't know. Okay. And this is where some people call, sort of foul play, manipulation, whatever. Okay, fine. That's probably the case, because there's no real reason why we don't break this level right here. It doesn't make much sense. We have 5 waves. You have your consolidation. It's so bullish that the consolidation happens sideways, and then you get rejected. A, B, C. Okay, so you have a zigzag rejection that follows. So what do you do after that? Now we have another reversal, another go at it. All right, so what is it about 48.8 that's so mean? And we go on a much larger time frame. Let's take this out. Whoops. So something about 48.8 that the price just obviously, let's turn on the VPVR. That's the vertical volume indicator. We can see that, all right, at 48.2, there's a point of control, meaning there's a lot of resistance right here at 48 and 49. That's fine, but why is there rejection there? That's the question, okay? And again, the chart is what the chart is. Price action, the market just is going to do what it does. This is why it is challenging to be a profitable trader, because even when by probability something is likely to happen, sometimes you just don't get it. So you have to use good risk management, right? You have to put in stops. You have to cut trades when they're going against you, and you have to know when to do all of that. So that's what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. If we can eventually, it looks like we're having another crack at it right now, okay? And it looks like we're in an impulse, we're in a reversal pattern. It's a small reversal pattern, but it's, every large pattern starts off with a small one. So it looks like we've bounced off the 618, right? So there's possibility that this is a reversal wave right here. This right here is an impulsive reversal wave. If we break this right here, if we come, and I've measured this, I've been measuring it in the charts. On average, if you come by more than 13.13% below the fib line, you lose the level. Okay, so if we break by 13 tenths, or what would that be? 0.13% below this 618, expect a reversal. Expect a reversal down, and we may get another correction, just like we got last time, where you get a double correction, where you had a correction, you were breaking out, and you go something like this into another correction. Okay, so you have to be on your P's and Q's. This is why you have to manage your trades. Good traders, they expect everything, right? We plan for certain things, or actually we expect certain things, right, based on probability, but we plan for everything. You have to plan for everything. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. And by logical extension, we look at Link. If you're trading Link with me, it's essentially the same thing, right? You were in we were in let me turn the VPVR off. Oops, turn another indicator on. Here we go. So yeah, just like Bitcoin, I was expecting here this A, B, C. Okay, still may get that, but I don't. I flipped long. I flipped long after this right here. Okay, and I felt like we were going long. Now I'm going to flip short as if we break this level right here, just like I said for Bitcoin, go on the smaller time frame right here. And this is all risk mitigation. And this is how you don't blow up your account. And this is how you remain profitable. And look at that here. It looks like we just breached it. Let's see the percentage. Let me turn the magnet off. This is really small time frame. But you see that 0.12%. Did you see that? Do you see that? I've been measuring these, and this is part of my edge. Like literally going on the minute time frame to see if we lost the level. We haven't yet lost the level, but if we lose the level, it'll be quick. So I'm going to put my stops below right here. And if we lose that level, I'm going short down to my original short target. If we continue up, then I'm going to stay in my long. So that's basically Bitcoin. That's Link. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. Keep your losses small and your wins big. Trade safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.